So we cleaned the push rods in here. They're over here. As good as they're gonna get, man. I mean, I could probably clean it up a little bit with Scotch-Brite or something, but not really worried about it. Now in here we have the oil pump and the rear main seal, like I don't know. I don't want to call it a cover. It's the adapter, I guess. I'll show you that in a second. Not in there, but over at the block. And we're cleaning the pistons up in here. The pistons were pretty dirty. There was a photo, or 6 or 7, where I found this guy embedded in the face of one of the pistons. To me, it looks like almost like a piece of lock washer, like a busted piece of a lock washer. While we're waiting on all that shit, we're gonna put a new main seal in. This is the main seal, and I don't know if you've ever put a main seal on a Y block. I never have, but come along with me on this adventure. This is the piece that came out of the adapter in the ultrasonic, and it's solid. It has a piece of wire in there. Keep it hard, I guess. I don't know. And then here's the new ones. Tells you how to install it. And then you got these, but I don't think I need these. All right, I think those are not what I need. And then you got these, like rubber pins and steel pins. So over here, I just had to raise the block up because it was down lower, so I can actually get to the rear main seal, because this thing was way down in there and there's no way I was going to be able to get that out of there. So this is what I was talking about. This is that rubber, and then you drive a pin down in between the adapter and the seal. I don't know where the other one went. It's gone forever. And then there's another seal down in there. I don't know if that one has a pin in it or not, but I guess we'll find out. So I gotta get that out, put a new one in, clean all this bullshit up. It's pretty dirty. And then try to get this thing to not leak. That'd be pretty cool. So then we got another piece of the puzzle taken care of. I'm hoping to be able to put these pistons in, I don't know, this weekend. I don't know. I got homework and shit to do. I got finals next week, so we'll see. But that's what I got going on. Real glad I bought that freaking mini skid steer because I use the shit out of it. And be good.